Alright, I thought I'd just post this video, see if I could get something in high definition showing this standard 1911 color case hardened version that they sell. And it's in the engraved version. It's fairly nice. It's not the type of engraving that I really like so much. I like hand push engraving, old school, but this is done with some sort of process. It's okay. It's not the best, but it's okay. But anyway, this gun's got some beautiful color. I just want to show y'all the quality of the color case hardening. It's just beautiful. I mean, look at all that. It's just a gorgeous gun. Look at the color of the other parts, nitrate blue. So, like I said, it's something that's really nice to look at. It's an expensive gun. It's called a standard manufacturing gun. Standard makes these, custom makes these, hand fit everything, hand color case harden everything, real, the old school charcoal blue. If you can see the different colors of all the parts. This is done in the checkering. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. Even the checkering is got color case hardening on the inside. Like I said, it's a beautiful pistol. Very well put together. So anyway, I just thought I'd show y'all this because it's a beautiful pistol. 1911. They don't do them like this much. This one runs about 2,000. Look at that coloring. Anyway, check it out. The finish is very smooth, very glossy, very slick. Novak sights. It's got all the trick stuff, the beaver tail, the lightweight hammer, the nitrate blue, rosewood grips. Very well made. Anyway, thank y'all. Have a good day.